Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous session, we have gone through with a simple PySpark program and we were able to get the outcome as well. But there are certain functions or methods for this, the settings, the configuration what we have done that will not work properly and you will not be able to get the outcome. Just have a look. So the collect method was working perfectly and we were able to get the outcome. But if I'm going to change it to first method, I have written the first method and it is used to take one element from the given collection and let me try to execute it. Once I am going to execute it, it will throw certain errors. So the execution has been started. And see, we are having the error once we have used the first method. Okay, like Python and the worker has different version than that is in driver. So this particular problem, it might be into the different variations. What are those variations? So first one, like the Python was not found. Okay, run without argument to install from the Microsoft Store. So that may be the error. Second one, runtime error, like Python in worker has different version. And third error that you may face, Python not, Python 3, no such file or directory. Okay, so once you encounter this particular problem, friends, the very first solution that you need to do, you need to go onto the path where you have installed the Python and you just need to copy the Python exe and paste it onto the same folder. So let me first visit onto the directory where we have installed the Python. So we are having Python over here. It has been installed onto this particular path. Now this is the Python exe file. And what you need to do, you just need to copy and paste it here itself. So you are having the Python exe copy. And what you need to do, you need to convert it Python 3. Okay, so Python 3 and Python, these two are the executive files in this particular path. And let's see what is happening over here. So I'm going to execute the same code once again. And at this moment, friends, the error will be gone. Just have a look. And we are able to get the outcome. So this is the trick in order to tackle the situation which is described over here. Like once you are not able to get the Python or you are having different versions or Python 3 is not found. So you need to proceed with the procedure that we have described. You just need to copy Python and paste it onto the same path and change the name of copied file. That's it for this particular session. Thank you, friends.